Hello there. My name is Linda Artisani, and I run a firm called Artisani Accounting. And I also run a firm called The Proper Trust. And both of these firms work exclusively with attorneys and law firms. And this is our specialized area on niche. And we use QuickBooks Online Advanced for the accounting platform. And because we're accountants and we've been working in this field I've been doing this for over 20 years, is because QuickBooks provides you with a very stable base. Can you use it as a standalone for accounting for attorneys? Yes, you can. It's just a lot of manual steps. It's really designed for all types of firms. So there's a bit of customization that's required to make it work for your firm. So that's what I created the ebook for, to help you and help guide you through some of the things that I think will help you to get ready to work in QuickBooks the right way. So I hope that explains a little bit about why I created the ebook, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the videos that go along with it. Thank you for watching.